Alright guys, today I want to make a video and show you an upgrade that we made on my son's truck that was quick, cheap, and easy. And it made a big impact on the overall appearance of his truck. So his bow ties on the front and the back, they were starting to show signs of age. They were cracking, fading, they just didn't look real good. So we got on Amazon and we found this carbon fiber wrap tape. Like I said, the reviews on it were a little mixed. However, we decided to take a chance on it and we are very happy with the way it turned out. So go ahead and come a little closer. So that carbon fiber wrap, it comes in a little sheet, and it came with an X-Acto knife, and it came with a little paddle where you could press it down good. So you just basically lay it on there, take your time, carve out the perimeter of it, and then press it down, make sure you don't have any air bubbles in it. So we actually put this on last May of 2025, and it has held up great. So we have been very happy with it. So we did the same thing on the back. I'm gonna show you that also. Another nice little upgrade, simple upgrade, the bullet United States flag, very nice. All right, so you see it on the back side, same thing, Chevy bow tie. Like I said, you put it on there, take your time, carve it out with the X-Acto knife, and it turned out great. So I would say that we would highly recommend this. I mean, this is something that's been on almost a year and it has held up very well for us. In addition to this, I'm going to put a couple of the other little items like the antenna, his rear brake light, his headlights that he's super happy with. And I'm going to drop those in the description as well. That way you got something to look at. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.